What is going on, friends? If you couldn't tell by that introduction, I had the exciting opportunity to go down to Kiowa Island, South Carolina this past week and check out the PGA Championship. That's kind of a big deal because it's one of the 4 major tournaments that the guys playing every year, and this year it was in South Carolina. So I had to go. And what makes it even better, I was able to stop halfway down and play around in golf with my stepdad. So it was definitely an exciting golf adventure for me. Now, all that being said, golf is expensive. Whether you're watching or whether you're playing, golf is a pretty pricey sport. My round on the way down cost me $35. Going to the tournament, had to pay for gas, had to buy a ticket, and the food. Just check out the cost of drinks at this tournament. It's insane. So all in all, for a day and a half, I spent about $170 on fun. So what do I do when things get expensive? Well, you know I had to stop at a thrift store. As a reseller, I buy stuff from thrift stores and yard sales and flip it online for a profit. And that's what I did here. Stopped on the way down to Santee, South Carolina, where I played golf, and stopped at 2 thrift stores to find stuff to sell online. Hopefully offset the cost of this golf adventure. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I got and what I found, and if we cover the cost of our golf trip. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Did I do it? First thing I picked up were these Basque boots. Basque is usually a good brand to be on the lookout for. Paid $4.99 for these, and these are a kid's size, so that's definitely going to hurt the value. Should get around $23, $24 for them plus shipping, so after cost of goods and fees, looking around $15 in profit. Next thing I picked up was this Polo Ralph Lauren bucket hat. You can see the horse logo there. Kind of paid up for this, paid $4.99, but it is vintage, and it looks like they consistently sell for around $30 or more plus shipping. So after fees and cost of goods sold, looking around $20 in profit. So I got this whole stack of books for $6. This first group is the Goosebumps series. I actually got it for my daughter. Once she gets done reading them, list them on eBay for $12, $15. And I got this group of Dr. Seuss books, mainly for this one. It's been discontinued. And when that happened, the value skyrocketed. It's not worth what it used to be. Still thinking maybe 30 bucks, but I'll have to list it on Macari because eBay's banned it. Next stop, Goodwill, and I grabbed this Rob Gronkowski jersey, and I know he doesn't play for the Patriots anymore, but it looks like they still sell. Their prices are kind of all over the place, but it's a real high quality jersey, sewn on letters, sewn on name. I'm thinking I can get $25 for it. So after cost of goods, I paid $3.99 and fees, probably looking around $17 in profit. Big shout out to Commonwealth Picker, who featured these in one of his videos one day. These are value tales. Each book shows a person and the value that they portray. Like here's Christopher Columbus and the value of curiosity. I've got 35 of these, paid $17.50. The last lot of 35 that sold on eBay sold for $279.99 plus shipping. I may list mine around $250, so after cost of goods and fees, I'm looking around $200 in profit. This one buy basically paid for my whole trip. I'm gonna call that a home run, or you can even call it a hole-in-one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.